Looking ahead, analysts are confident that Apple will release 4 new flagship iPhone models in 2020. Each model will be equipped with 5G network support, a face recognition system and gesture control. We will have to wait to see this, but Apple has clearly chosen the right direction. Another authoritative analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, recently announced that Apple will introduce a line of 3 iPhone models in the fall of 2020, while all phones will be equipped with 5G cellular communications and OLED displays. It is expected that the iPhone 2020 will have a new look, perhaps resembling the case of the iPhone 4. Kuo emphasized that the classic design was successful and was very popular among users, so the cases of new smartphones from Apple made in this style can be a very welcome step. Companies to meet the fans. iPhone SE 2 will show next year. However, even if a decrease in sales occurs, Apple will be able to compensate for this, for example, revenue from services. This year alone, 70% of all music industry profits came from streaming services. Therefore, Apple followed the path of Amazon and Google, releasing the Apple Card, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade and other services. Perhaps Apple will begin to produce and sell an inexpensive smartphone, due to which the number of users of services can grow, which will give it even more profit. Will this iPhone SE 2 become